beautiful green thumb souls. Welcome to Witch Tea Wednesdays, where we talk about different things about my practice while enjoying a cup of tea. And this week I'm just having regular orange pekoe tea. It is one of my favorite black teas. And yeah, let's just get right into it. This week we're going to be talking about the mystical world of indoor plants. If you're thinking about incorporating these vibrant companions into your magical practice, you're in for a treat. In this enchanting journey, we'll explore the considerations for choosing the right indoor plant for you, building relationships with them, and unleashing their magical potential in your witchcraft endeavors. So, let's just jump right into it. Choosing the right indoor plant for you. Before embarking on your plant-filled magical journey, it's crucial to consider your environment. Does your space offer the right amount of sunlight and humidity? Is your water quality suitable for the plants you have in mind? Assessing these factors ensures that your plant allies receive the care they need. Additionally, take into account the time and energy you dedicate to their well-being. Remember, a thriving garden starts with meeting your plant's specific needs. Now, let's talk about building relationships with your plant allies. Once you've chosen the perfect indoor plants for your magical space, it's time to foster a connection with them. Treat your green companions as you would any magical ally. Learn their likes, their dislikes, and even their names. Follow their care needs diligently. Talk to them. Use communication tools like pendulums or communication decks. And most importantly, meditate with them. This exchange of energy can deepen your bond, creating a harmonious connection between you and your leafy companions. Now, let's get down to the main reason why you're here. You probably want to know about the witchcraft involved with indoor plants and what you can do with your plants regarding witchcraft. So, let's dive into the magical applications in indoor plants in your witchcraft endeavors. Each plant possesses unique correspondence, making them valuable tools for various spells and rituals. Here are some enchanting ways to incorporate your indoor plants into your magical workings. Number 1, guardianship. Utilize your plants as guardians for your home and workspace by infusing them with protective intentions, sigils, and even protective crystals like obsidian, black tourmaline, amethyst, tiger's eye, or clear quartz. Let them stand as silent sentinels, safeguarding your magical haven. As you can see, I have several plants in my space. Some of them are my guardians, and some of them I use for other things, such as elemental representation. Embrace the earth element on your altar by featuring plants. Offer them to deities or ancestors, and let their grounding and cleansing properties infuse your magical space with natural energy. Spell components. Harness the power of leaves and flowers in your charms, candle dressings, medicines, and incense. Always seek permission from your plant allies before harvesting any part for magical workings. And last but not least, but definitely my favorite reason, is gifts of magic. Propagate new plants with intentions of protection and prosperity, creating unique housewarming gifts for loved ones. Enhance the magical touch by incorporating sigils, magic colors, and crystals into the gifts. Congratulations, green thumb souls! You now are equipped with the knowledge to embark on the journey with your indoor plant allies. Remember to nurture your relationships with these mystical companions and approach them with respect and gratitude. May your days be filled with enchantment, your spells flourish, and your green friends thrive. Until next time, stay safe, stay magical, and have the day that you deserve. Toodles for now.